In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pencil sketch using some image. You can use your own image or any image. For example, this is on image, and using this image, we'll create this type of sketch, and it will be looking like this. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need a reference image. So this is my reference image, this one. And I'm going to use this thing in front of you so that you can check that it is generating similar type of image. And now I'm going to copy some prompt. So this is the prompt. You can directly copy this type of prompt. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to copy it. Now we need to open gemini.google.com and then just click new chat. It will be looking like this. Now at first we need to add the image, the reference image. I'm going to click here and then I'm going to choose upload file, and this is the reference image. I'm just selecting and then I'm going to press open button. So the image will be added. And from tools, we have to choose create image. And now we need to paste that prompt which we copied. So three things we need to do. We have to choose image, upload the image, and the prompt which we copied. And now we have to press the submit button. I'm going to use Flash model, but if you want to use some other model, you can also use those things. Then I'm going to press the submit button. And once the submit button is pressed, it will try to process, and within few seconds you will see the pencil sketch of this particular image. We have to wait till it finished. This is the final version. It is looking like this. Now we can use this image to do different format. Before that, we need to download this thing. So I'm going to download it by clicking this download button, and it will be downloaded inside my downloads folder. And I'm going to name it like ABC, for example, something, and save it. It will be saved. Now we can use this image for different purposes. There are different styles I already added. Now you can use any of this. So for example, I'm going to choose this style or this style. I'm going to copy Ctrl C and I'm going to paste it over there. And then I'm going to use this one. So here I'm going to paste it over there. Now generate an image in different realistic settings. So this is the settings I'm going to use, and I'm going to upload that image. I'm going to click plus upload files, and then this is the image which we downloaded before. I'm going to press open so that the image will be attached. Now I'm going to run or submit. So once I click here, then we'll see a different version of this image, which will be like pencil sketch also, but some other environment. Once it is generated, it will be looking like this. And if you click here, it is looking like this. And that's it. In this way, you can easily use Google Gemini to create this type of pencil sketch. And then you can do so many things, so many variations. I will share all the prompts. You can directly copy these prompts from the video description below.